I'm in northwest suburban Deer Park, just across the street from the shops, restaurants, and theaters at the Deer Park Town Center. I'm in the clubhouse at the new Deer Park Crossing, which has a party room lounge adjacent to an outdoor pool and a grilling area, a comfortably furnished media room with a large screen TV, and a fitness center with a variety of cardio and strength training equipment. Join me for a walk through one of the apartments. I've just stepped into the foyer of an Amherst model one-bedroom, looking at high ceilings and plank flooring that extend throughout the apartment. Turning for a look at a great kitchen. There's a breakfast bar island, quartz counters, white cabinetry with 42-inch uppers for additional storage, a stainless steel appliance package. It includes a side-by-side refrigerator freezer with ice and water in the door. There's a 5-burner gas range. A wide farm-style undermount sink, gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment. There's a tile backsplash, and there's a pantry cabinet. Pendant and track lighting. Turning for a look at a spacious living dining area. A floor-to-ceiling sliding glass door opening onto a balcony. Plenty of space here to lay out a variety of furniture. Balcony faces south, looks over a pond. Will be a great scene in the summer. It's a room with enough scale to entertain in and live in very comfortably. It's a pantry cabinet in the kitchen, and off to the right as you would have entered, it's a utility room with a full-size front-loading side-by-side washer-dryer. Heading toward the bath and the bedroom, there's a linen closet, an additional closet as you head toward the bedroom. The bath has the same white, attractive cabinetry that you saw in the kitchen. It's a wide vanity with an undermount sink, drawers for storage, and a cabinet for additional storage. And then there's a deep soaking tub. Very upscale, very attractive finishes here. Mirror spans the width of the vanity. Heading toward the bedroom. Space to accommodate large bedding, nightstands, chest of drawers, and there's a walk-in closet. Overall, a great storage space. Deer Park Crossing has a great location just across the street from the Deer Park Town Center. A very appealing suite of amenities, upscale apartments. Really belongs high on your must-visit list. Head to the Deer Park Crossing website for near real-time rent and availability info.